part 2 na po to nung reviewer na binigay sa atin ni LTO, yung volume 2, yung latest, no? Part 2. So, kung natapos nyo na yung part 1 at eto na ang inaantay yung part 2, equip na kayo ng knowledge para ipasa ang motorcycle code ANA1, non-professional, ano? So, isusunod ko naman is yung professional. After ko magawa din yung non-professional light vehicle code B1 and B2. So, dito muna tayo sa part 2 ng motorcycle, no? And then, yan. Tandaan nyo po, I'm from Techno Development Center of the Philippines, Cubao branch, no? Isa po akong LTO accredited at ito po ang aking number kung meron po kayong marami katanungan pa po kayong iba. Or kung gusto nyo kumuha ng PDC from light to AB vehicle, no? Code A, A1B, B1, B2, code C and D, and the last is code CE and BE. So, kontakin nyo lang po ako. Ito po ang aking name, no? Tutulungan ko pa kung paano ang proseso. Ano tayo, no? Ang ating mga lisensya, ayan, driver's license is a privilege, no? Not a right. So, pag magkamali po tayo, maaari itong bawiin ni LTO ang ating mga lisensya. So, ngayon, this is the part 2. Sana napanood nyo na yung part 1. Then, syempre, don't forget to like, share, at subscribe ang ating channel para mas marami pa tayong matulungan. And then, number 26 na tayo. So, yung part 1 is up to 25. This is number 26, no? Question number 26. When should the motorcycle engine oil be checked? So, the answer is regularly to maintain vehicle roadworthiness, no? So, question number 27, the allowable maximum size of a customized top box of a motorcycle is, yan sa mga motor, answer, 2 by 2 by 2 feet and can fit full face helmets. Question number 28, the rumble strips across the road is intended to para make you alert and be aware of your speed. So number 29, question 29, what is the maximum penalty for a driver who has violated RA number 10666, also known as Children's Safety on Motorcycle Act? So the answer is revocation of driver's license. Kagad. So number 30, turn signal lights are used to, answer, make your turning direction clear to the drivers and other road users. So, question number 31, which lane should you choose after turning right at the intersection? Answer is stay at the rightmost lane. Question number 32, when the brake lights of the vehicle in front of you turns on, you must, answer, prepare to brake. So, on question number 33, what must you always remember whenever you fart? No? Answer, turn the engine off and put the proper stand. So, question number 34, what is the maximum speed limit on the national road under the law? So, answer, 80 km per hour. Question number 35, what should you do if another vehicle overtakes you? So, answer is stay with the current speed and do not attempt to race. So, question number 36, what should you do to help reduce air pollution? So, tulad nito. Answer, do the regular motor vehicle check-up. So, question number 37. 37. Upon entering a roadwork with a temporary maximum speed limit sign, you must answer, comply with the sign at all times. Drive at maximum speed of 40 km per hour. Question number 38. Under RA 10666, one of the exemptions that child is allowed to back ride on a motorcycle is when the child needs to be transported to the hospital for immediate medical attention. So question number 39. Under RA number 10913 or Anti-Distracted Driving Act, the use of mobile phone is permitted if the driver uses a answer, a hands-free communication device, no? 40. You are planning for a long trip. Do you need to plan for a rest stop? So, answer, yes. Regular stop helps avoid mental and physical fatigue. So, question number 41. How can you avoid wasting fuel? Answer, through the correct and proper driving habit and having the vehicle properly serviced and maintained. Question number 42. At an intersection, it is more dangerous to turn left than to turn right because answer, because the vehicle coming from the opposite direction are faster. So number 43, what is one of the mandates of the LTO? 43, register roadworthy and emission complaint motor vehicle. Question number 44. If the violation of Republic Act number 10666 on safety of children aboard motorcycle resulted in death, serious or less serious injuries, what penalty will be imposed to the motorcycle rider or motorcycle operator? So answer, 1 year imprisonment without prejudice provided for the under revised penal code of the Philippines. So question number 45, if this sign is disregarded, it will constitute an offense. What traffic rule sign is it? Answer, regulatory sign and directional sign. So question number 46, why should the driver always yell to emergency vehicles with blinkers and siren on? Yell means give way. No? The answer is because they have a priority right of way, no? Or they have an emergency. So question number 47, the right of way rule signifies answer, the rights of the driver on when to yield or give way to others while driving. Question number 48, when making a right turn, you should reduce the speed and stay on the outmost lane of the road, then signal your intention to turn right 30 meters ahead. Question number 49, when approaching a crosswalk or pedestrian lane, you should answer, slow down and stop to yield to pedestrians. Question number 50, last question from the book, volume 2, no? What should you do if you are stopped by an enforcer even when you believe that you did not violate any traffic rules and regulations? So the answer is stop at the roadside and politely ask the reason why you were being stopped. So, natapos nyo na to, no? Heroes, ang part 1 and part 2, you are now equipped with knowledge to pass the motorcycle code A and A1, no? Exam for non-professional. So, ayan. So, sa mga nag-aantay ng part 2, eto na po. Kung para ma-memorize nyo, balik-balikan nyo lang yung ating mga video, no? Then, mas maganda kung mag-comment kayo after, no, na halimbawa nakapag-exam na kayo, balik kayo dito sa video, then comment if eto po ang mga lumabas na nasa libro ni LTO. So, para malaman natin at malaman pa ng iba kung tama ba ang kanilang nilalabas sa libro at sa kanilang pinapa-exam, no? O kasi ito volume 2 na 'to, nakita niyo yung sa part 1 nandun pinakita ko yung libro galing sa kanila 'tong volume 2 na 'to na binigay sa'kin sa school, 'no? So, in-upload ko na para makatulong. Ang next nating i-upload is Non-Professional Light Vehicle Code B, B1 and B2. So, ito na po yung end ng ating part 2, Non-Professional Motorcycle Code A and A1. So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe para malaman pa po natin ang iba pang para sa Code B, B1 and B2, sa Code 3 and Code 8 kung gusto nyo rin po mag-truck drivers, no? Yun lamang po.